Hi guys, it's me again. My name is Furjong and I'm gonna say her name. Her name is Krusty Trum and her name is Clotty and Agatha, don't look at these, okay? Her name is Pony, his name is Jax, and her name is Regifa. That's all I have, people. And we have our day to play because we are friends. And let's do it backwards. Or you can do it backwards because she is Krusty Troll. That's her nickname. And this is Oopsie. What's Krusty? Oh, Krusty Troll is this one. Krusty Troll, Kuntilos, and we're gonna say the nicknames. Oops, don't look at this again. Come on, please don't look. I said don't look, okay? Don't look. Oopsies, where's Pommy? Where did Pommy go? Her name, this is Pommy is Paw. Her name is Pony. Pony, because her nickname is Pony, and her nickname is her name is Pony, okay? And his name is Jeff, and he's just Pony's boyfriend, and Jack's next name is Jacky. I know Jacky. And Regifa is gonna here. Okay. Regifa's name is Regifa, okay? And her nickname is Reggie. That's all the people I have. Bye bye.